Hi guys, so welcome back. In this video we are going to see how we can create a smart contract in RemixIDE and upload this smart contract directly to the blockchain network of our choice. Like we can connect this Remix directly with injected MetaMask provider, and here this is the ID of the network. So first of all, let's go to MetaMask and let's go to settings, networks, and add network. So we are going to add a network here, add network manually. So we are going to add Polygon Matic. So I have this link here. We can say Mumbai testnet, the RPC URL. This is a main thing which you have to take care of. So you need to give the correct RPC URL. So here is this RPC URL. Actually there can be different RPC URLs, and this is the actual address of the blockchain node with which we are going to communicate to send and receive the transactions from the blockchain network. This is the chain ID of Matic Mumbai testnet. We can say it's Matic, and finally Explorer. This is optional, but we can also put it, and we can save it. So if we go again to MetaMask, we can see now we are connected to Mumbai testnet, but right now we don't have any coins. So we can just go to Mumbai faucet here, and we can get some coins from this faucet. Let's wait for the coins to be added in our wallet. In the meantime, we are going to see if we got the coins. Okay, so we got the coins. So now our Mumbai network is ready. We can just go compile our contract, and here in deploy and run transaction we are going to select injected MetaMask, and so if you see 80,001, this we are connected to this Matic testnet. So we can just simply go and try to deploy our contract. It's going to ask for the transaction confirmation. We can confirm, and okay, so our transaction is done. So if we open this transaction, I will just do this. If we open this transaction, we can see this is the transaction hash, and we can simply go to this Polygon scan, and we can put this transaction here. Okay, we cannot see. Okay, sorry, Mumbai scan. So we were on the wrong address, so we can put this transaction here, and here we can see 35 seconds ago we made a transaction and we created this contract. So this is the contract address. We are going to just copy, and in the meantime, actually I have used my previous GitHub tutorial on signature verification, and I have just created this little file testing.js just to import ethers and .env because they are already installed and I don't need to create a new project. So I will just go to env file, and I am just going to paste the contract address here, and I have already pasted the RPC Mumbai Matic, and this is the Volta URL. So let's go back here, and let's go to settings, networks. Let's do this Matic, sorry, Volta. Here is Volta. So I have used these configurations. So if you where is this? Yeah, so if you actually go to this EnergyWeb link, they have given these configurations, this RPC URL, chain ID, and the Explorer. So I have just gone here to MetaMask, and I have added the network manually again with the same link, with the same parameters. And once this is done, we can just simply close it. We can go to Remix Ethereum IDE, and we just go to MetaMask and select this Volta testnet. So once this Volta is selected, we can see the chain ID, it is changed here. So now we are connected to Volta testnet, so we can again deploy the contract, but here this time we are connected to Volta and we are sending Volta VT token instead of Matic. So we are just going to confirm. Okay, also if you don't have any Volta coins, you can just copy and paste this address and you can go to this Volta faucet and you can paste your address here, and then you can also click on bridges. Okay, I'm bad at this. Let's verify. Okay, and you can request one Volta token. So this token will directly be added to your wallet, your MetaMask wallet. Okay, and we can see the token has been added in my wallet. And also if I go to Remix, I can see the transaction has been added in the blockchain, and this is the transaction hash. So I will just go to Volta Explorer to see the transaction. I have put the transaction ID here, and we can see that 54 seconds ago we made a transaction to this contract, and this contract is created. And so we are just going to copy this contract address, and we will come back here and we will post the contract address here in front of Volta variable. Finally, we need the private key to communicate with this contract. Again, if you go to this compile, you can get the contract ABI. So I have just copied this ABI, and in testing I have pasted this ABI. So you can just copy the ABI of the contract from Remix and paste it here, and then you can communicate with the contract. And finally we need the private key. So this is just to show you, but don't share your private key with anyone. So in the account details, this is just a random account I'm using. You can create as much accounts as you want. So you just click on export private key, put your password here, and your private key is here. So you can just go and copy paste your private key here. Here we are putting the private key because it's like sending the transactions to the blockchain network from backend. You are not going to connect with the MetaMask to send the transaction to the blockchain network. Instead, you are just putting your private key in the backend, and the backend is doing everything for you, like send transaction. If you want to send transaction from the front end, then you need to connect your MetaMask to the front end, and then you are going to send the transaction just like I did for the contract creation. Like you get a message box that you want to confirm this transaction or not. So this is done. So let's try to test this contract. First I'm going to use Volta and Volta. I think it's Volta. It's Volta. Let's change it. Volta. Just make sure you put the correct variables. So I think I have put the correct variables. I have this API URL, I have this private key, I have this Volta address and ABI, and then I have created the provider and then signer. Then I created the contract instance. Then I created a function. In the contract instance, first we are calling the get message, and we are going to see what is the message, because if you see in the code here in the constructor, the message is set to hello. So we must see hello in the old message. Then we are writing a new message, hello again, and then we are updating this message using this update function. And finally we are getting the message again, and we are printing the new message. So let's try to run node testing.js. Old message is hello, new message is hello again. So you see we have uploaded a contract from Remix to Volta, and then we have copied the ABI from here to here, and then we created an instance using EtherJS, and then we updated the variable message in the smart contract. So let's do this with Matic now. So we need to change the RPC URL and the contract address for Matic. Here I'm going to change the variable Matic and Matic. So let's run this again for Matic. Old message is hello, not Matic, and new message is hello again. So we have done the same thing in Matic and in Volta testnet. You can use the blockchain of your choice, IOTEX, Volta, Polygon, like you can use any blockchain. And in the future I'm going to create a tutorial on how to upload the same contract on different blockchains using the configurations provided by their the like who are behind the actual blockchain. And we can also try to upload contract on layer 2 solutions including Arbitrum and Loopring. So we will try to see it in the future, but right now this is how you upload the contract using RemixIDE to the blockchain of your choice. Then you get the ABI and contract from this explorer, and finally you give these values, and this is the boilerplate which you can use to send transaction and get transaction from the blockchain network. So thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.